Okay, my dear 10th standard students, a very good morning and warm welcome to the online session of Jaycees English High School. So, till previous video we have completed the economics part, not totally the economics part, which it was the globalization of business, not economics part, it was the business studies part. We have completed the third chapter, another one chapter is left with that, but now today we will go with the geography part. Geography we will be doing, and we are in the 10th chapter, and the chapter name is India Industries. In this chapter we will be studying about the industries of India. Okay, so the various things, the meaning, importance, which are the major industries in India, which are the most important industries in India, or which are the major industrial region in the country. All these things we will be studying here. So first of all, we will be going with the meaning and importance. Okay, what is the meaning of these industries, and then we will go for the importance of industries. Okay. Growth of industries plays an important role in the development or growth of any country. For the growth means economic growth. Okay, several types of growths are there: social growth, political growth. Okay, but here we will be discussing about the economic growth or economic development of a country. So growth of industries plays an important role in the development or growth of any country. Industries are the place where the action or process. What is the industry? Industries are the place where the action or process of economic activity is concerned with the processing of raw materials and manufacturing of goods in factories. So, industries are the place where the action or process of economic activity is concerned with the processing of raw material and manufacturing of goods in factories. So, what is industry? Industry is just a place or a infrastructure, okay, where the processing of raw materials, okay, they are bringing, every industries are bringing the raw materials along with the natural resources. They do the processing so that we can get a commodity or good. Okay, so this is the main objectives of our industry. So industries are the place where raw materials are we bring the raw materials there to get the output, which is known as also commodity or goods. The word industry comes from the Latin industria. Okay, in the Latin means Americans. Okay, Americans was told as Latin previously. So the word industry comes from the Latin industria, diligence. Okay, what is this meaning of diligence? Diligence meanings is hard work. Okay, so the word industry comes from the Latin word. Latin industria means industria. In their language they don't tell industry, they told industria. Okay, Latin industria, diligence. What is the meaning of diligence? Diligence means hard work. There are 4 types of industries. Okay, we should know about how many types of industries. Now we all know what is the industry. Industry is the place where the processing of raw material is done to get the output, and the output is known as the goods or commodities. Okay, so but now we will be studying about the different types of industry. Industry is also categorized. Okay, there are several types of industries, but mainly we will get, okay, products can be same. Suppose in the industry cars are being produced, different companies are there, but their output is the car only. Okay, so like that is a automobile industry. Okay, we can say automobile industry, but categorizedly what we are telling that categorizedly we can classify industries into 4 types. What are these 4 types? Primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. Okay, these are the 4 types of industries. So primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary. Okay, what is this primary industry? It involves getting raw material. Okay, it involves means it is, these are the industries. Primary industry means they are in the they are in the action of getting the raw materials. Example is mining, farming, fishing, etc. Okay, so these are the primary industry. Okay, next is secondary. It involves manufacturing. Okay, manufacturing. Now only I told you that automobile industry. Okay, that is a manufacturing. They are doing the processing, so that processing of the raw materials. Suppose in the primary, what is happening? They are bringing the raw material. But secondary industry, what they are doing? They are doing the processing of that raw material to get a commodity. So they are involved in manufacturing. Example, making cars, iron and steel. Okay, so mining I told you in the primary. Okay, in the primary it is this one, mining. From mining only we will get the iron ore, which is a core raw material for the iron and steel industry. Secondary, when we go to the secondary, that iron ore is being used in that industry, iron and steel industry, to get the, from that iron ore we are getting iron and steel. Okay, we can't get steel in the mining. In the mining we will get the only the raw material, but that raw material is not used as steel. Okay, that is iron ore, but that raw material we use to get the finished product as steel. Tertiary, it involves provides a service. Okay, it involves in providing a excuse me, it involves providing a service. Example, teaching, nursing. Okay, so tertiary industry are those industries which are involved in service. They don't have any product or commodity. They gives for this one your service. Okay, what is this service? Teaching. See, in teaching there is no product. A teacher is teaching. Okay, he is giving us service. Nursing, what happens in the hospital? We used to see these nurses. What they do? They takes care of the patients. Okay, that is their service. A plumber, a electrician, okay, they comes to our house, okay, with their equipment to solve our problem. Okay, that is, they are solving our problem with the help of their service. Quaternary, it involves in research and development. Example, IT industries. Okay, these IT industries, they comes on the quaternary. Okay, here what happens? The research and development is getting done. Okay, here the service is also there, product is also there, but the main thing is that, suppose in a IT industry, what happened? They in the those who are involving in this hardware company, what they are doing? They are doing the research and development work to produce a product. Their service, they are giving the service also. Suppose my computer is not okay, so what happened? I will call this one hardware person. They are giving the service also. Even if any material or if any this one in that computer, if any parts are not okay, they will replace it. Means with the help of the research and development, they flourish their service sector and also the product also. Okay, so what are the 4 types of this one industries? That is the primary, which are very much involved in getting the raw materials like mining, farming, okay, Fishing, what happens? We are getting the fish, okay? That is the raw material, okay? So we cook it and then we eat, but the raw fish what we get from the pond, sea, lake, whatever, that is the raw material. Next is the secondary. Secondary is, it involves in manufacturing. Manufacturing means making cars, iron and steel, etc. Tertiary, it involves in providing the services like nursing, teaching, etc. And quaternary, what is quaternary? It involves in research and development. Example, the very good example is the IT industry. Okay, IT industry, the full form of IT industry is information technology industry. So in this video, this is enough. Okay, in the next video we will be going with the some more things are there regarding the meaning and importance of industries as a whole. Okay, so thank you and see you in the next video.